Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the wallpaper on your iPhone for the lock screen and the home screen on the latest version. So let's get started. So in order to do that, first thing you're going to do is go into your setting on your iPhone. From there on, scroll down to wallpaper right here. And from there on, it's going to show you your current wallpaper for the lock screen and the home screen here. In order to add a new one, you simply tap on plus add a new wallpaper. Once you do that, there's a couple different ways to add a wallpaper. You have the option to select a photo from your album here. You can take an emoji, make your custom one, have a color one, the weather, all of these options. You can go through, look through them, pick whatever you like. So let's say I like maybe this one right here on iOS 18. Now, once you do that, it's going to give you the option to also add widgets to the lock screen here, change and do more customization if you like. I'm just satisfied with it as is. I'm going to hit done here. And then now you have the option to set both the lock screen and the home screen the same, or you can also change it. So if you want to customize the home screen, you can tap on that and pick something else for the home screen, maybe just a color or maybe a gradient, maybe a photo from your album, whatever you choose if you want a different one. So let's say I picked a different one. I hit done here, and then it's going to give me that new wallpaper, which it's going to be available right here. This is the current one as it shows. I have this one and then this one as a wallpaper. And if I lock my, as you can see, if I lock my screen, it's a different wallpaper for the lock screen and a different one from the home screen as well. Now, another way to also access that home screen, the wallpaper edit menu is from the lock screen. If you long press and hold, so if you let's simply long press and hold, let's go ahead and do a long press and hold. It's going to unlock your phone. Let's go ahead and unlock. Let's do it again. Long press hold. And then we're going to unlock. It'll get into this edit mode as well. And you can also click on that edit and it gives you the same option where you can go ahead and select a wallpaper. Maybe I like this one this time. I can add widgets. These are the widgets that allow you to do different things, right? Hit add and then set as wallpaper. This time I'm keeping both the lock and the home screen the same. So as you can see here, it's the same one on both screens. So that's how you can change the wallpaper on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.